Next menu is used to adjust the style of the leaves text. If you don't want to draw the leaves text, you can just turn off this switch. And the next one is to set the font size. You can fill a specific value here, like 20. And you can also move your mouse on the parameter name, and you can drag your mouse to change the value in real time. And the SVG camera will update the changes in the real time. And you can drag to a value that you think it is suitable. The next one is change the color. This is the color selector. You can choose the color you like. You can use this color picker to pick a color on this page you want, like the next one is font weight. There are two options to select. The first one is normal and the second one is bold. The next one is font style. It has also two options. The first one is normal and the second one is italic. The next one is word italic. For most of time, we need to change part of the words in the leaf's name to an italic style. You can click this question mark to view the detailed information. This parameter needs a string specifier. The general form of a specifier is the index of the word you want to change it to italic and separated by comma. There are some examples here, like if you leave this parameter blank, the text style will not be changed. If you fill 1 and the first, no, not the first, because this index is start from 0. So if you fill a 0, the first word will be changed in italic, and 1, the second word will be changed in italic. If you fill 0, 1 and separated by comma, and the first word and the second word will be changed in italic. So the next example is the same, but there is a gap but there is a drawback that is will uniformly change the italic style of the text. So for most of the time, we don't like to change all the leaf text uniformly, like we need to change the first one and the second one to italic style for this bacterial name. But for this one, we need to change the first one, the second one, and the fourth one. So we provide a layer, a annotation dataset called word italic to realize this requirement. And we can open a tree like this one. This tree we have added a word italic annotation dataset layer if we delete it, and the font style of the leaf text will not be changed, so we can fill 0, comma, and 1. So all the first word and the second word of the leaf text will be changed in italic. If you leave this parameter a blank value, so nothing will be changed. The last two parameters is used to adjust the horizontal and vertical offset of the leaf text. Parameters block is leaf extension. If you turn on this switch, all leaves will be aligned together. And the next one is to change the color of the extension line. By default it is gray. And the next one is the stroke width. Next one is stroke dash array. Means you can change the custom style of each dash. Like you can fill just one number, like 4. So each dash, the length of each dash will be 4, and you can fill 4, 10, and 3. So the dash line will be including the spacing 4, 10, 3, 4, 10, 3. And the last one is stroke opacity. The one is, if you fill 1 here, there is no opacity. If you fill 0, it will be fully transparent.